actually at Nairobi Gallery. We've had a full day of content creation. I'm with my friend Sophie, my partner in Mzururo.
Yeah, the life of a content. Look at the backpack I have with me. It's so
And honestly, this place is quite relaxed when you want to come and vlog or just look at some pieces of art. So I'll also be showing you some of the pieces of art that we've seen. It has been a long day. We've done this content creation thing for like 3 hours since 12. No, it's almost. Is it 5? No, it's 4.
4:30.
So it's actually 4 hours. Oh my goodness. So I'm just going to show you like a look around of what this place looks like. This is where they have their artwork. You can also purchase some of this artwork or the paintings. Getting started with this skincare routine, and my skincare routine has not changed so much from last year. It's just mostly a 3-step skincare routine, and currently I'm using the Papaya exfoliating face wash. I got this from Carrefour, and it has exfoliating busting beads for deep cleansing, and my coffee soap of course for my previous skincare routine. And to moisturize, I'll be using the cucumber gel from Zuri's Naturals. I'll be keen to link it below. And I have something for my lip care, and currently I'm something for my lip care. It's this Vaseline for rosy lips, also from Carrefour. It's around 200 Kenyan shillings, so anyone can just get it, and it will be really nice for your lips. So let's get this skincare routine started. So I'm just going to start by wetting my face. I want to use the coffee soap for the beard area because it's the most traumatized part of my skin, of my face, so I want to use it because it's rougher. So right now I'm going to now use the Cornells Wellness exfoliating papaya face wash. Papaya is excellent for making your skin brighter, so that's what we're going to do. So I'm just going to So I've just rinsed off the exfoliating face wash off my face, and to moisturize I use the Zuri's Naturals cucumber gel. It's amazing, it smells amazing, and I've been using it for about 7 months, so I totally recommend it because it has had like very good effects on my skin. So I'm just going to, it's purely natural, no additives, or it's just a natural gel. And previously I was using aloe vera gel, but cucumber gel is also amazing. They are my two favorite gels to use to moisturize, which incorporates some lip care because previously I didn't have like a lip care routine. So right now I'm using the Vaseline lip care rosy lips. I got this from Carrefour. It's around 200 bob. So I'm just going to dab like a few dabs. I want to make a DIY attempt to make some scented candles. Most of the candles I've been seeing online cost about 3,000 Kenya shillings, 2,000, and I'm not spending 3,000 on a candle. I mean, the way my bank account is set up does not allow me to spend 3,000 on a candle. I'm going to try and make myself my own scented candles. These are just twilight candles. I bought them from a supermarket, and eucalyptus oil. It's an essential oil. I bought it from Best Lady, so I'm going to attempt to infuse this essential oil in this candle and melt it, use the wicks, and try to see if it will work. So hopefully this DIY does not backfire on me. Let's do this. Let's melt these candles. Let's infuse it with some essential oil and see how it goes. So here's the candle melting. Just put it on low heat. You can harvest the wicks. I didn't expect the wax to be this much, like the melted candle to be this much. It's almost half of the sufuria. So now let me take out the wick. This is what I'm going to use later to taking that one out. So I'm going to have a change of plans. I'm going to use the big jar, jar to put the candle in. I wanted to use the smaller one, but I figured this wax is too much. Now I'm regretting. I should have used like a smaller container. Right now I should have used a bigger container. So let me take out this wick. Oh my god. Just come out. So it's the other wick. So just put it aside. I'm going to put it aside and wait for all the wax to melt. Almost all of it. It's almost melted all through. So candle wick is at the center, so I've held it down with some little wax. So I'm going to pour in the essential oil into the candle wax that is melted and pour it in. Right now the smell is really minty, so I think it has cooled down. Like I don't want it to get like cold because I know it will solidify in the sufuria. So I'm just going to pour slowly. The wick has stayed in place. I didn't expect this candle to be so much, but it has filled the whole jar, so I'm just going to let it cool, leave it alone. I'm trying to improvise the wick to be held down because once I poured the wax, it just started like moving. So I'm trying to improvise. I've used 2 wooden sticks or wooden spoons to hold it down and this skewer so that it stays in place. I'm going to give it some time to just cool down on its own as I do other things. Morning, it's now the next day, and I waited for the wax to cool down. I did not put it in a fridge, just let it cool in a dry place, and this is what it came out to be. I cut out the wick so that it's now shorter, so that when I light it up it doesn't form like a huge flame. This is what the candle looks like. I intend to use vanilla oil the next time because I think the eucalyptus will be more of like a minty smell. I want it like that sweet vanilla smell, so I'll be doing a vanilla scented candle next. But this is what the candle has turned out to be. It's in this huge jar. I wanted to use like a smaller jar, but it wouldn't work. It's because I realized the melted candle was too much, so I decided to put it in this jar that you can find anywhere in Nairobi. They are being sold in the streets for around 50 bob. When you walk along River Road or in town, you'll just find people selling them along the streets. And yeah, this is the final project, and if you really enjoyed this project, let your boy know and give me a comment in the comment section of the more DIYs you'd like to see. And if you like this DIY, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I think that's all for now, so I'll see y'all in my next video. So bye for now.